everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you some powerful POS features that can make billing faster, discount smarter and customer experience smoother. So let's start from the configuration. First we will see add bag charges. For that first we will activate the feature and add the bag type of products. After that we will go to the session. After going in session, just select the bag POS bag product category, and here you will be able to see the bags. Okay, you can just select the bag if you want to add in a POS orders. Okay, just make a payment. After that, you will be able to see the bags in receipt. Okay. Apart from this, you can also see the bags in a POS orders and orders menu. Okay, the next is create a sell orders. Okay, using this feature, you will be able to create sale order from the POS screen. For that, first we will activate the create sale order from the settings. After that, we will go to the session and refresh it. Okay, so create a sale order. We need at least one product in order line. So first we will add a product and create a sales order. Oops, you can see that sale order is created successfully. After that, you can go to the cells and here you will be able to see the sale order number with same product which we have created from the say POS screen. Okay. So next is import sale order. Using this feature, you can import the sale order which is created from the sales module. First, activate the feature. After that, go to the POS screen. And here you will be able to see the button called import order. Here you can see the product and you can add the quantities and just click the apply button. After that, it will load in a POS order line. Yeah. Our next feature is invoice auto check. Okay, to check the invoice receipt of the POS order, just activate the feature. After that, make a payment after adding products. And here you can see the button invoice to check the invoice number and invoice. Okay. Our next feature is give fixed discount. Go to the setting and you will be able to see the two types of discount, percentage and fixed. Now we will see the fixed type of discount. Just save and go to this product POS screen and select the product and click on the discount. You can add the number of discount. Just I am adding the discount amount. Okay, you can also see the discount in a receipt. You can also see the discount in receipt. Also see the discount type in orders. Okay, next is percentage type of discount. For that, activate the percentage type of discount. Just select it. After that, go to the POS screen and you can add the percentage of discount in order line. Okay, just make a payment and you will be able to see the discount in receipt as well as in up orders. So now we will move to the next feature, which is coupon code regime. For that, we will create a coupon code. Okay, here you can see the coupons. The type is a gift voucher. Coupon name is a coupon summer sale. Custom for all customer. Coupon value is 100. Okay, so we have configured the coupons. Okay, so you can also configure the vouchers. Okay, you can see the all coupons from here. Coupon details from here. Okay, coupon value, total value, for the specific product. Okay, created for Azure and Treasure. Okay, now refresh the POS order, POS screen, then select the product and you can see the manage coupon button. Here you can add the coupon number and redeem it. Okay, if it is correct, then it will redeem successfully, and if it's not correct, then it will throw error. Okay, make a payment, and here you will be able to see the coupon amount, discount amount. Okay, next is for the specific product. So my specific product is cabinet with tool. Okay, so I will select the product. Okay, okay, because it's not my product. I have created for the cabinet product. So I need to choose that product. Okay, cabinet with tool. So just a second, let me choose the product. Okay, so now I will add the coupon. After adding the amount, okay, quantities and amount, and now I will redeem it. So you can see that it's validated successfully because it was created for the cabinet window. Okay, you can also see the values, detail. Okay, so next is for customer, for the specific customer. So if I will a different product, then it will not work for they not work for that product. Sorry, that customer. Okay, it will throw error. Now it Azure Interior because it was created for Azure Interior. So it's validated successfully. This is my gift voucher. You can also see it in orders and order menu. Okay. Okay. So apart from the coupon, you can also see the history of coupons. You can see the coupon history for customer, for a specific product, for any sale. Okay. So this was the coupon. So now create coupon from POS. To create a coupon from the POS screen, just open a form, and here you will be able to see the coupon name, validity days, customer type, coupon values. Okay, fill the form and click on the create button. Okay, after that you can see the same coupon in a backend side. In our coupon, you can see the new sheet. We just created it from the backend, front end. Okay, so it was the complete flow of our POS coupon and discount. If you are interested in purchasing, the buy link and other details are available in the description box. You can check and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for the watching.